eyes of the world are in northern Thailand today as efforts to extract the 12 boys and their coach begin in earnest.
2018년 7월 10일
All good down here.
태국 북부 치앙라이 지역 탐루앙 동굴에 들어간 지 18일 만에 12명의 소년들과 코치를 구출하는 본격적인 작업이 시작됩니다. 넷플릭스 오리지널 드라마 태국 동굴 구조작전 시작합니다.
พี่บอกเราไม่ได้หรอกว่าเราจะรอดไปหรือเปล่าป่ะไททัน
Let's get it.
2018년 6월 23일 기상청 인턴 사원 누는 일본 기상위성 고장으로 데이터가 들어오지 않아 상사에게 보고하려고 하지만
ใครเขาดูพยากรณ์อากาศกัน
ฉันต้องไปบอกเขาว่า
지금 사람들의 관심은 월드컵에 쏠려 있었죠.
เอาทำไมอ่ะ
เพราะที่พม่าฝนตกค่ะ
อ้าวเฮ้ย
북부 지방에 몰려오는 비가 걱정돼 당장 경보를 발령해야 한다고 하지만
หนูลองคำนวณแล้วว่ามันน่าจะมาถึงเราภายในไม่เกิน 2 ชั่วโมง รีบแจ้งเตือนไทยโซนเชียงใหม่เชียงรายแม่ฮ่องสอนค่ะ
ครั้งก่อนแจ้งผิดเป็นยังไง ภาคเหนือ 6 ล้านกว่าคน รัฐมนตรีด่าใคร
그녀의 이야기는 씹히고 말았습니다. 기상위성이 계속 연결되지 않아 걱정이 커지고 있을 때
ทำหลวงทำหลวง
치앙라이에 있는 유소년 축구팀 선수들이 쿤남고기림안에 있는 탐루앙 동굴로 소풍을 갈 때
เฮ้ยคุณนางจะไปไหน
กูคงไปกับพวกมึงไม่ได้แล้วว่ะแม่กูโทรตามกลับบ้านแล้วอ่ะ
집으로 돌아간 분남을 뺀 12명의 선수와 코치가 동굴로 향했죠. 한편 위성이 작동하지 않아
30 มิลจริงเหรอคะคุณลุง
직접 미얀마에 연락해 확인한 지금의 상황은
ลุงเขาบอกว่าชั่วโมงที่ผ่านมาปริมาณน้ำฝน 30 มิลแล้วนะเว้ย
생각보다 더 심각한 상황이 빠르게 태국으로 향하고 있을 때 공원에 도착한 아이들은 동굴로 들어갑니다.
นี่ธรรมดานะข้างในเจ๋งกว่านี้เยอะ
ขอบคุณค่ะ
이때 구기린 관련 피임은 한 통의 전화를 받게 되는데
นี่ค่ะ ดิฉันโทรจากกรมอุตุที่กรุงเทพนะคะ ฝั่งตรงนั้นมีเมฆบ้างไหมคะ
마른 하늘에 비구름을 확인하라는 이상한 소리였죠.
สักครู่ค่ะ
그런데 벌써 코앞까지 다가온 구름에 공원을 폐쇄해야 하지만 기상청의 경보 발령이 있어야 가능한 일이었죠.
คือมรสุมมันน่าจะมาเร็วกว่าปกติอะค่ะ
น้องต้องออกประกาศเตือน ไม่งั้นพี่ไม่มีอำนาจปิดอุทยาน ถ้าน้องจะรอให้ฝนตกก่อนแล้วค่อยออกประกาศเตือน พี่ว่ามันจะไม่ทันนะคะ
ค่ะ พี่ออสรอก่อนค่ะ ส่วนอุทยานขุนน้ำก็รายงานว่ามีเมฆหนาทึบแล้วนะคะ
โอเค
퇴근하는 상사를 붙잡아 경보 발령을 내려야 되는 상황을 알리는데
พายุมาแน่ๆค่ะ
ก็ได้ พี่อยากจะให้รายงานนี้เนี่ย ใส่ชื่อเธอลงไปด้วยนุ่น
ให้เด็กฝึกงานรับหน้ามันเซฟกว่าใช่ไหมคะพี่
모든 책임을 고작 인턴 사원 눈에게 넘기고 나서야 비는 내리기 시작했고 아이들이 동굴 깊은 곳까지 들어간 뒤였습니다.
พี่กี่โมงแล้วพี่ไปพี่ตีไปเถอะเดี๋ยวพี่ตีนำไปเลยนะ
돌아갈 시간이 되었을 때 문제가 생기기 시작했고 출입을 차단하러 온 핌이 동굴에 사람이 있다는 사실을 뒤늦게 알게 되었죠. 한편 집에선
แล้วนี่แข่งเสร็จบ่ได้ไปปั่นรถถีบเตยหมูเขากะแม่ผมทำคุกกี้ไว้แล้วพี่เอกเขาก็ไปถ้ำหลวงกันครับ ทุกคนไปถ้ำหลวงตอนแข่งจบไหมครับ
아이들이 동굴에 간 사실을 이제야 알게 되고 빗길을 뚫고 급하게 달려왔지만 벌써 물에 잠겨 들어갈 수 없었습니다.
น้ำท่วมค่ะ เข้าก็ไม่ได้ ออกก็ไม่ได้
이 소식은 바로 주지사에게 보고되고
มีเด็กหลายคนติดอยู่ในถ้ำหลวงครับ
부모님들이 모두 달려왔지만
มาได้มาได้มันอันตราย
ใจเย็นก่อนนะคะละออนมันคงไปจมน้ำมันก่อน
동굴 안은 벌써 물이 가득 차 있었죠. 들어간 지 18시간. 동굴 입구에는 상황실이 설치되고 주지사가 도착했습니다.
รายชื่อเด็กๆใช่ไหม
ครับ
그리고 아이들의 부모님을 찾아
สวัสดีครับ
힘든 마음을 안심시키죠.
ไม่เป็นไรไม่เป็นไร ผมจะอยู่กับทุกคนที่นี่จนกว่าเด็กๆจะปลอดภัย
หมอดูที่หมู่บ้านบอกว่าละออนน่ะไปทำผิดผีไว้
คือผมเชื่อในวิทยาศาสตร์มากกว่านะครับ
그런데 비록 신앙은 없었지만
ผมอาจจะไม่เชื่อ แต่ว่าผมก็ไม่ลบหลู่นะ
기다리는 이들의 바람을 담아 진심으로 기도하죠. 그 시각 동굴 안에선
ไอ้มากมันแบบสบายครับ
ผมไม่ได้เป็นอะไรจริงๆพี่ผมสาบาน
เอาเสื้อข้างในมาหน่อยบิว
가장 작은 마크를 모두 걱정하며 챙기고 있었죠.
แล้วมันก็หายเอง
ถ้าจะไปก็ไปด้วยกันงั้นก็อยู่ด้วยกันหมดนี่แหละ
그런데 아직 마크의 엄마는 아이가 동굴에 있다는 사실을 모르고 있었고
น้ำหอมกินยาให้ในหมายความว่าอันมาอุ่นเป้าเฮือนสัวจังหูก็
ตอนนี้ทีมหมูป่ายังไม่ออกมาจากถ้ำหลวงตั้งแต่เมื่อคืนวาน
이제야 사실을 알고 현장에 달려왔지만
ขอโทษนะคะ
ลูกเธอชื่ออะไรล่ะ
มงคลมูลเปลี่ยนมากค่ะ
ในรายชื่อก็ไม่มีนี่
명단에 등록되지 않아 확인할 수 없었습니다. 한편 상황실에 몇 년간 탐노왕을 탐사한 번이 도착해 동굴에 대해 설명하고
Well, Governor, Tam Luang is a monster. There's multiple chambers, cabins all different sizes. I want to volunteer.
자원한 비우 아빠와
Gunwai Nam Pen Mai.
동굴에 직접 들어가죠.
If the boys are alive, then they'll be in a dry chamber surrounded by water.
이때 계속되는 비로 물이 불면서 아이들을 덮쳐왔고 겨우 입구 쪽을 확인하고 돌아온 이들은 모두 익사했을 거라고 생각하지만
เหมือนจะไปไหว้ศาลไหว้เจ้าแม่ที่ไหนก็ได้
나머지 부모들은
เขาไปไหว้เขาไปหาสิ่งศักดิ์สิทธิ์แล้วไหว้กันอย่างน้อยๆอ่ะมันอาจจะ
살아있다는 희망을 버릴 수 없어 지금 유일하게 할 수 있는 기도를 합니다.
This is chambers 4, 5, and 6.
탐노왕 동굴은 그 길이도 길지만 중간중간에 있는 언덕을 기준으로 9개의 호실로 구분되어 있고 그 마지막엔 모래 언덕으로 된 파타야가 있었죠.
If they went the other way, left.
To Pattaya, they have a better chance.
하지만 거기까지 들어가기가 일반인은 불가능한 상황.
The current in these sumps is fast. It's filled with silt you can barely see. We're going to need extremely fit divers.
주지사가 정부에 요청을 하지만
ผมแค่เด็กๆเล่นผจญภัยตามภาษา
처음엔 대수롭지 않게 생각하다 혹시 모를 실패를 걱정하던 장관은
ถ้าเข้ามาช่วย
แล้วเรื่องที่ถ้ำหลวงมันเกิดพังขึ้นมา
พี่บอกให้ผมเชื่อใจคนทำงานในพื้นที่จริงอะ
งั้นตามใจคุณแล้วกัน
결국 특수부대를 허락하죠. 아이들은 겨우 덮쳐오는 물을 동굴의 끝까지 피했지만 두려움은 점점 커져가고 있었죠.
กลัวได้นะ ไม่เป็นไร
한편 아직도 마크의 엄마가 밖에서 애원하지만
แล้วมาร์คก็ไม่ใช่เด็กที่จะหนีออกจากบ้านด้วย
경찰은 사실 확인에 성의가 없었죠.
ถ้าแจ้งความเท็จเรื่องคนหายนี่เรื่องใหญ่เลยนะไหนขอดูบัตรหน่อย
그런데
นี่คุณ เดี๋ยวก็ไล่ให้กลับไปอยู่ฝั่งนู้นหรอก มีเรื่องอะไรกันคนนี้แอบอ้างว่าลูกเธอติดอยู่ในท่าผมรู้จักมากครับ
코치의 확인을 받고
หนูไม่มีบัตรหนูเป็นคนไทยใหญ่หนูมาจากเชียงตุง
불법 체류자인 그녀가 추방될 위험을 안고서 여기에 있다는 건 이때 해군 특수부대가 도착하면서 희망의 불씨는 살아나고
The boys' lives are at risk.
Expert in extreme health crisis.
So we know that they are fit. A few days without food is unpleasant, but not deadly.
네이비실 대원들이 바로 동굴로 향하는데 계속 내리는 비로 동굴 안은 물이 더 차오르고 있었죠. 좁고 날카로운 모퉁이와 빠른 물살 그리고 한 치 앞도 분간하기 힘든 상황이 대원들을 더 힘들게 하고 있어 첫째 날은 더 이상 들어가지 못하죠.
สถานการณ์ตอนนี้แต่พรุ่งนี้เราก็จะลองกันใหม่
다음 날 다시 시도하지만 대원들에게 상처만 생길 뿐 더 이상의 진전은 없었죠. 수중작전의 최고 전문가들이지만 빠른 물살과 한 치 앞도 볼 수 없는 동굴에 들어간다는 건 전혀 다른 세계였으니까요.
I think we need specialists. There's no one better in underwater diving than Navy SEALs.
We're SEALs. But here, we have to learn as we go.
오케이.
그런데
Governor, I have an idea.
세계 각국에 있는 동굴 탐사 전문가들이 이곳 탐노왕으로 향했고 마지막 희망을 걸어야만 했죠.
If anyone can get those boys out, it's these guys. Finland, Canada, Ukraine by way of Cyprus. It's Rick Stanton and John Valanthan, leaders of the pack.
We only dive with our own gear.
네이비실조차 포기한 열악한 상황은 이들에게 일상이었으니까요.
The only way you have a chance in the current is to lay the guideline. The next man comes along, adds to it.
We must move safely, but urgently.
지금까지와는 다르게 시작부터 차근차근 유도선을 깔아갔고 그 밧줄을 따라 조금씩 전진하고 있었지만 벌써 8일이 지난 시점에 아이들의 생사는 장담할 수 없었죠.
They will start to have motor muscle trouble now. Their internal organs are starting to lose function, but they are dying.
그런데
ฝนตกหนักขึ้นเรื่อย
점점 거세지는 비로 동굴 속 상황은 더 악화되고 빛도 없는 어두운 곳에서 두려움에 떨고 있을 아이들을 생각하면
แล้วทำไมไม่ไปพักผ่อน
หนูก็จะได้พาลูกหนูกลับบ้าน
แต่ตอนนี้ผมต้องการปฏิหารย์จริง
기적이라도 일어나길 바라며 끝까지 포기할 수 없었죠. 그런데
ๆทั้งเราคิดว่าฝนซาแล้วครับ
그 작은 바람이 기적처럼 다가왔습니다.
They're saying no rain until noon. I think we should go for it.
잠시 멈춘 비로 한 번의 기회가 더 생겼고 그 작은 기회를 잡아보기로 합니다. 기다리고 있을 아이들을 믿고서 말이죠.
Believe in these boys.
그리고 드디어 동굴의 끝까지 도착할 수 있었죠. 그런데
เอวไอ้สิมันมาจากในน้ำเว้ย
มีฝรั่งไง
잘 버틴 아이들이
เฮ้ยมานี่เร็ว
어른들을 반겨주었죠.
You speak English? Yes. Did you get lost?
No. Say your names. Here.
ชื่ออดุล
เตตัน
พงษ์นิกไนท์ดอนบิวอัพอันบิ๊กโน้ตผมเตีย
그리고
ผมมาร์ค
막내 마크까지 건강한 모습으로 버텨주고
12 of you. How is this possible?
12명의 아이들을 빛 한 줄기 없는 이곳에서 지켜낸 코치도 잘 견뎌내고 있었죠.
We've been searching for you for 10 days.
How is this possible?
He taught us to fill our belief with fresh water. Faith, he never gave up.
드디어 이제부터 진짜 구조가 시작됩니다.
Now it's up to all of us to rescue them.
现在我们已经发现野猪队
아이들의 소식이 알려지자 전 세계에서 찾아온 자원봉사자들이 현장에 도착하고 있습니다. 그리고
The U.S. military is sending special forces as Americans join the world in watching this saga unfold.
미군 구조대도 합류하죠. 그런데
ท่านครับ ตอนนี้ท่านเกิดเรื่องครับ
No no you can't drill here
ผมเข้ามานี้ไม่ได้ คุณไม่มีบัตร
농림부를 도와 수력을 연구하는 켈리는
I'm a hydraulic engineer You don't understand The cave will be impenetrable in the next 4 hours
금방 동굴 전체가 물에 잠긴다고 하는데
Which is limestone It's like a giant sponge
만약 지금 잠긴다면 그 뒤는 알 수 없게 되죠.
When would the cave become passable again?
October
4 hours before we cut off from the boys until October.
한편 안에선 이런 사실을 전혀 모르고 있었습니다.
เดี๋ยวโค้ชทำดีมากเลยครับเดี๋ยวหลังจากเนี้ยเดี๋ยวให้ผมจัดการเอง
พี่ช่วยแบบเอาพวกจงหมูน้ำพริกอ่องอะไรเงี้ยเข้ามาด้วยดิ
We're looking for holes that go all the way down into the cave.
먼저 미군이 주도해 동굴로 들어갈 다른 입구를 찾기 시작하지만
เข้าไม่ได้ไม่ใช่ทางนี้
쉽게 찾을 수 없었죠. 그런데 동굴을 살피던 켈리가 수위를 낮출 방법을 생각했고
I believe I can lower the water levels in the cave
핀과 함께 산 위로 오르죠.
This way
동굴로 흐르는 물줄기를 옆으로 돌려 높아지는 수위를 막겠다고 합니다.
Do you really think you can control nature with sandbag?
Running to our right and southwest down to Myanmar
어두운 밤까지 계속된 작업으로 물줄기를 막았고
Alright
희망을 가지고 기다려봅니다. 그런데
This should have worked The water should be going down, not up
물길을 막았지만 수위는 더 높아지고 있었죠. 들어오는 물줄기 하나를 막아도 소용이 없었지만
Where are you going?
반대로 생각한 핌은
What if it's more like a bathtub that appears during the monsoon season?
Do you know where it is?
물이 빠지는 양을 늘려 동굴에 정체되는 시간을 줄일 수 있는 방법으로
You said that pond isn't always full?
산 아래 동네에 장마철에만 생기는 연못을 찾아 지하 웅덩이에 구멍을 뚫어 물을 빨리 퍼낸다면 가능할 것 같아 바로 작업을 시작합니다.
ขนมาเลยเร็วเร็วเร็วเร็ว
그리고
Yet
예상은 적중했죠.
But thanks to this too. Not the war.
다행히 수위는 안정이 되었지만 다른 출구는 찾지 못했고
Our worst scenario is now our best option. And we have decided that teaching these boys to scuba dive is the most realistic option.
How long will it take?
3 weeks.
Minimum. Possibly 4.
아이들이 스쿠버 다이빙을 익히려면 최소 한 달은 필요했지만
He says the boys are running out of oxygen.
We estimate the chamber will drop below 15%.
동굴의 산소 포화도가 떨어지고 있어 길어야 일주일도 버티기 힘들었죠. 그런데
The problem is, we're hours away from running out of places to dump the water.
밖으로 뽑아내는 물을 더 이상 받아줄 공간이 없기 때문에
We can flood this farmland.
주변 농경지에 버려야 했지만
It'll be a huge sacrifice for them.
이 지역의 농작물은 모두 포기해야만 했죠. 하지만 이곳 주민들도 생활이 걸린 문제이기 때문에 쉽게 허락할 수 없었죠.
ถ้าปล่อยน้ำมาท่วมเข้าผมตายหมดแน่
แม่นถ้าเข้าเขาตายหมดแล้วเขาจะรอดก็
그런데
ปล่อยน้ำมาท่วมนาแม่เลยก็ได้ลูกปลูกข้าวได้แหบจัดหนักแต่เฮาบ่สามารถจะปลูกละอ่อนให้มันใหญ่ขึ้นมาใหม่ได้แหบแล้วนะ
한 사람의 용기로 아이들을 살릴 희망이 보이고 결국 모두 동의해준 주민들 덕분에 물을 뽑아낼 수 있었죠.
สวัสดีครับผมมาจากเพชรบูรณ์นะครับคุณอยากได้ท่อสูบน้ำบาดาล20 นิ้วอะครับ
คุณขับรถมาใกล้มาก
แค่8 ชั่วโมงเองครับผม
한편 동굴에선 스쿠버 다이빙을 가르치고 있지만 처음 느끼는 공포를 이기기는 힘들었고
I'm less convinced the boys can do the dive out than I was yesterday.
We're short on tanks.
공기통조차 부족한 상황이었습니다.
We're 200 short. Look, at this point, we've exhausted all the resources in the region.
그런데
จ่าสิบเอกเจมส์ที่ขอคนไหนครับ มีของมาส่งครับ
SNS로 소식이 알려지자 어디서 누가 보낸지도 모르는 공기통이 도착하기 시작했죠.
Load him out! Let's go!
그 뒤 네이비실 요원들이 각 호실마다 필요한 만큼 옮기던 중 안타까운 사고가 발생하는데 퇴역했지만 현장으로 달려와 누구보다 열심히 작전을 수행하던 네이비실 요원 자쌤이 잠수 중 사망하고 말았죠.
เป็นความเสียใจอย่างสุดซึ้งจ่าแซมคือชื่อเล่นที่เป็นที่รู้จักในหมู่เพื่อนๆตราบจนลมหายใจสุดท้าย
그의 희생으로 구조계획은 방향을 바꾸고 말았습니다. 장관들이 현장에 방문해 대책을 논의하기 시작하는데 동굴 내부에 산소를 공급하며 물이 빠지길 기다리자고 합니다.
หมายถึงให้อยู่ในถ้ำไปก่อน
เราจะปั๊มออกซิเจนเข้าไปให้ในนั้นครับ
แล้วเรารับประกันความปลอดภัยของเด็กได้ยังไงฮะเด็กต้องอยู่ในถ้ำนานขนาดนั้นนะฮะ
3개월 이상의 긴 시간 동안 아이들을 버려둔다는 건 있을 수 없는 일이었고 한시라도 빨리 구조해야만 했죠.
เพราะฉะนั้นต้องไม่ผิดพลาดอีก
공포심으로 다이빙이 불가능한 상황에 생각할 수 있는 마지막 방법은
If we're going to buddy swim them out, we need to restrict their movements.
Likely still thrash, panic, stirring up silt.
What if we anesthetize them?
수면 마취를 시켜 데리고 나온다고 하는데
How would you do it? I know someone who will. Richard Harris.
마취 의사인 동시에 동굴 잠수부인 호주의 리처드 해리스라면 가능하다고 합니다.
Only one in the world, as far as we know.
Yes, well, reckon I need some convincing as well.
그리고 다음 날 기다리던 사람이 도착했고 바로 구조 준비를 하는데
We suggested looking into full face masks. We were able
일반적인 물안경과 호흡기가 아닌
The only way this works is with positive pressure masks.
어떤 상황에서도 정압 공기가 들어오는 양압 마스크만 있다면 충분히 가능하다고 하죠.
There is a chance.
그리고 그 마스크는 곧바로 미국에서 공수됩니다.
The Yanks managed to pull 4 custom extra small positive pressure masks, transport all the way to God knows where to pick them up.
마지막 관문은 부모님들이 동의를 해야 하지만
ผมเลือกจะทรมานน้อยที่สุด
หนูเองก็คิดแบบเดียวกัน
모두가 한 마음일 수는 없었고
จะได้วันตึงมาเซน
그 마음은 누구나 이해할 수 있었죠. 한편 구조대는 마취 없이 함께 나올 수 있을지 동굴에 가지 않고 남은 분남과 테스트를 해보게 됩니다.
This is going to be really weird, but I'm going to need you to put your hands together.
움직임을 줄이기 위해 손발을 묶고 풀페이스 마스크로 호흡은 가능하지만 처음 물속에 들어간 아이는 공포를 느끼고 말았죠. 점점 나빠지는 날씨는 이들에게 시간이 없다는 걸 말하고 있었고, 이때 끝까지 동의하지 못하던 엄마도
เจ้าก็ยินดี
결국 마지막 방법에 동의하죠. 그런데
ผู้ว่าคะพายุกำลังจะเข้าค่ะ ช่วงเวลานี้ของวันพรุ่งนี้เราน่าจะอยู่กลางพายุเลยค่ะ
And the pumps won't hold.
지금보다 더 큰 태풍이 몰려오고 있어 바로 장관에게 보고하죠.
มีอะไรกันเหรอ
ลูกใหญ่กว่าเดิม และกำลังสะสมก็แรงขึ้นเรื่อยๆด้วยค่ะ
เราแน่ใจครับ
더 이상 기다릴 수 없는 상황.
ไม่ใช่ปล่อยให้เด็กๆจมน้ำตายอยู่ในถ้
구조 작전은 시작됩니다.
begins now แล้วเขาจะพาพวกเรากลับบ้านวันนี้เลย
동굴 안에서도 방법을 설명하고
ทีนี้พอถึงตาพวกคุณแล้วแฮร์รี่ก็จะฉีดยาให้พวกเราหลับ
밖으로 나갈 순서는 아이들이 직접 정할 수 있게 하죠.
เพราะฉะนั้นเรื่องนี้เดี๋ยวคุยกันเสร็จแล้วว่าจะเอาอย่างไรกันแล้วมาบอกกับพี่นะครับ
ผมเอาคนแรกเองพี่
มึงเอาจริงเหรอมาร์ค
혹시 잘못될 가능성을 생각해 코치가 먼저
ผมขอไปคนแรกนะครับ เพราะถ้าเกิดอะไรขึ้นเขาจะได้วางแผนอื่นกันได้ครับพี่
เด็กๆที่เหลือในถ้ำเนี้ยพวกเขาต้องการคุณ
수시로 변하는 위험에서 아이들을 구조할 사람들은
John and I will be escorting the boys one by one. David Ellsworth.
모두의 희망을 안고 동굴로 들어갑니다.
We've got to get them out. No matter what.
Hey, Doc. We've already got a problem.
그런데 시작부터 봉착한 문제는 가장 먼저 나오기로 한 마크의 머리가 너무 작아 마스크가 맞지 않았죠.
มาร์คไม่เป็นไรนะเดี๋ยวพี่หาอันใหม่ให้
อันนี้เขาจัดลำดับกันเองครับพี่
They have decided to go with whoever lives the farthest away from the cave, so that they can tell each other's parents that they're coming home. Note is gonna be the first.
할 수 없이 다음 순서 노트가 준비를 합니다.
1, 2, 3, 우와!
안정제를 먹은 후
เดี๋ยวเขาจะฉีดยาให้เรา
주사를 맞은 아이는 움직임을 줄이기 위해 뒤로 손을 묶게 되고 스스로 호흡을 할 때까지 기다리죠.
But the only way this works is keep moving forward.
그 뒤 다이버와 연결한 후 가이드라인을 따라 안전하게 하지만 최대한 빠르게 움직였고 그 결과는
ำเด็กคุณแรกเราออกมา
First of the wild boys alive.
성공적이었습니다. 그 후로 하나씩 무사히 나오게 되죠. 하지만
นายจะเป็นคนสุดท้ายนะ
다이버도 그리고 아이들도 지쳐 있어 오늘은 나이트가 마지막입니다.
All right, let's go.
밖으로 나온 아이들은 곧바로 병원으로 호송되었죠.
As the day ends in northern Thailand, another boy is free.
The water is picking up speed. 15 millimeters per hour and rising.
그런데 상황이 더 나빠져 과연 성공할 수 있을지 불투명했지만
The risk-reward ratio has tipped against us.
No one's leaving those boys to die.
단 한 사람도 포기하지 않았습니다. 상황이 바뀌자 코치가 먼저 나와야 했고
จะต้องลงไปในขณะที่นักดำน้ำยังมีแรงเหลือพอที่จะแบกเอกออกไปจากถ้ำนี้ได้
ผมทิ้งน้องๆไปไม่ได้จริงๆพี่
아이들은 용감하게 이 모든 문제를 받아들였죠.
ออกไปเถอะนะพี่พี่เอกไปเถอะนะพี่
เจอกันพี่
그 뒤 구조의 속도는 아주 빠르게 진행되고 이제 타이탄의 차례가 되었을 때
ไททัน
혼자 남게 된 마크는 무서웠습니다.
ไอ้ตัน
이제 마지막 마크의 차례. 여전히 마스크가 맞지 않자 어른들은 두려웠죠. 하지만
โอเคไหม
ช่วยบอกกับแม่แฮร์รี่หน่อยครับว่าเรามาเสี่ยงดวงกันดูครับ
어른들이 용기를 낼 수 있게 마크가 힘을 내어줍니다.
He said we have to find out our fate.
I think it's about time we all left this cave.
그리고 모두 함께 출발하죠. 동굴로 들어오는 물살은 더욱 거세지고 그만큼 늦어지는 속도로 마취가 풀릴 위험한 상황까지.
His breathing's so shallow. He's gonna need another dose.
다시 마취를 하지만
I'm gonna take him. Okay?
과연 마크가 견딜 수 있을지 모르겠습니다.
All right, Mark.
물을 뽑던 펌프까지 멈추자 동굴은 순식간에 잠기고 대원들도 밖으로 피해야만 했죠.
Come on, little mate.
그런데 아직 마크는 나오지 못하고 마지막 싸움을 하고 있었고 이때 드디어 밖으로 나온 아이는 의식이 없습니다. 그런데 마크는 무사했습니다. 전 세계가 한마음으로 기다린 그 한마디.
หมูป่าทั้ง13 คนรอดชีวิต
동굴에 들어간 지 18일 만에 모두가 가족의 품으로 돌아왔습니다.
หมูป่าปลอดภัยแล้วทุกคนนะครับ
기적과도 같은 이야기. 넷플릭스 오리지널 드라마 태국 동굴 구조작전이었습니다. 2018년 6월 23일 태국 북부 치앙라이주의 탐 루앙낭론 동굴에서 유소년 축구선수단과 코치가 조난되었다가 구조대와 국제사회의 도움으로 18일 만에 살아서 돌아온 기적같은 이야기를 넷플릭스 오리지널 드라마로 6화에 걸쳐 확인할 수 있습니다. 영상에는 동굴 밖 구조 과정을 주로 보여드렸지만 동굴 안에서 버틸 수 있었던 아이들의 이야기와 그걸 가능하게 만들어준 코치, 애타게 기다리던 가족의 간절함과 아이들을 구하기 위해 전 세계에서 몰려든 관심과 노력들, 그리고 구조 과정에서 생을 마감한 데이비실 요원 자샘의 사연을 함께 만나볼 수 있는 작품입니다. 모두가 힘든 시기를 겪고 있는 지금 기적과도 같은 희망을 보여주는 이야기, 넷플릭스 오리지널 드라마 태국 동굴 구조작전 추천하면서 저는 다음에 더 좋은 영상으로 찾아오겠습니다.